Alright guys, we got the two-wheel drive 4.3 Chevy here. Looking pretty great. Today we're going to test out the new jump and see if this bitch can fly. And we're going to bring you along for the ride. We got the helmet cam, we got the GoPro, we got the wife out there somewhere filming. We're going to see if we can get this thing running good enough to send her one last time. If she don't run too good, transmission is pretty freaking terrible. Like totally terrible, but we're gonna try to send her. I just hit my GoPro on the ceiling. Helmet cams don't work too good in vehicles, but we're gonna hope for the best. Just gonna fucking send her. Listen to her, she's just hating life. Tranny is almost gone. Engine's still intact, but transmission is toast. Alright, we're gonna go get the GoPro set, and then we're gonna jump this thing. Alright, so I want you like over here. There's the jump we got. So I want you standing right here. I'm gonna hit it from this way and end up over there somewhere. Okay. I don't think it'll be that little. I don't know, this truck's got a bad tranny, so it doesn't go very fast, but hopefully it'll be enough to get lift off. Alright guys, we're gonna set the GoPro up like this. Let's see, we got jumps right about in there somewhere. Should be a pretty good view.
Just a big old dust cloud.
Sure is.
That is fucking awesome. Oh,
It died.